DeepSeek is an AI model developed in China. It's one of the competitors of OpenAI that is developed in the United States. Recently, China launched their AI model, which is DeepSeek. And if you go to deepseek.com, this is what you will see. And you have to create an account with your email address. And if you are in China, you can create an account with your China mobile phone. So this is DeepSeek. So now DeepSeek R1, which is the first version of this AI model, is now live and open source. You see, rivaling with OpenAI's model of 0.1, available on the web, app, and API. So you see, this application is available in the web, and you can use it also in your phone. DeepSeek is totally free, and each and everyone can use it without paying anything. So now, first of all, you can see here, start now, free access to DeepSeek V3 and R1. Experience the intelligent model. See, get DeepSeek app. If you come here, they'll ask you to scan this code if you want to get the application on your phone. So now, for this video, we are going to this place to start and see how DeepSeek is working. Now, when you click start now, this is what you will get. This is the interface of DeepSeek. You have here where you can put your message. You can ask DeepSeek any question here. You have DeepSeek R1 think. This one allows DeepSeek to think before giving you your answers. You have the chat, which is also available in ChatGPT, which will go to the web and chat for your answers, especially for recent information, because you know ChatGPT and DeepSeek, they have a limited amount of information on their databases. So if you want recent information, the website, the AI model will need to check online websites for that particular information. You also have here where you can upload files and ask DeepSeek to summarize and do different things for you. Here, you can, when you click on this, you will see all of the things you've asked DeepSeek, all of the messages you've sent to DeepSeek previously. That is if you have been using it before. If you have not been using it, this is the first time, you will not see anything here. The more you are asking DeepSeek, the more it stores this information here for you to access for the next time. If you want to select and start a new chat, you need to come here and click on new chat. You have a totally new chat. Now you click here and it will close that particular bar. Now you have your new chat. You have the open slide bar, the same like ChatGPT. ChatGPT also have this one where you can see all of your prompts that you've already sent to the AI model. Here you can see you also have here where you can scan and get the mobile app. This is your profile. If you click on this one, you will see, for me, I use my Chinese number to log in. That is why you are seeing this one. If you come to settings, you'll see general settings, language, and theme. Language here, if you click on system, you'll see you have English, Chinese, English, and Chinese, each of this one that you choose. So I will choose English. The theme here, if you want it to be on black or white, that is the background of your DeepSeek platform. So now, let's say, let me put it to dark. You'll see it has totally turned to dark. You see, especially for people that don't like too much screen light, so you can put it on dark. But if you want it on light, you see, you have light, you have system. See, so this is the default. If you want it on dark, put it on dark. If you want it on light, you put it on light. Okay, you have profile here. These are just for your basic information. This is my phone number that I use to log in. Improve the model for everyone. This is also similar to ChatGPT. It will ask you if the information that you are giving, if you want ChatGPT to use it to improve the model for everyone. If you can put it off, meaning you don't want your information to be shared and used to train ChatGPT or DeepSeek for this platform. Now, here, delete all chats. Previously, I show you some chats at the corner here. That is all information that you've supplied to ChatGPT, to DeepSeek, sorry. So now, if you don't want them, you can just delete everything. If you delete everything, all the information that you've asked DeepSeek, you will not see it again. So now, delete accounts if you want to delete your account. If you come to about, you'll see this is for terms of use. This is privacy and policy. If you view, you'll see all of the this is the terms of use for DeepSeek, and it's in Chinese. You can take this information and translate it to get it in English. So if we go back to this platform, you'll see also have policy, privacy. If you go there again, you'll see all of the information that are available. So for now, we're coming back to the platform to see some of the features of this chat bar. So now, if you want to ask any question to DeepSeek, you must ensure that you ask the right question, because it is an AI model and it depends on your prompts that you are giving it, which we call the prompt engineering. You should know how to ask the AI model to ensure it gives you the correct answer. The more you ask questions that are very much smart and well put together, the same way the AI model will give you its answer. So now let's try to ask DeepSeek to give us a Python code for a calculator. Now I am asking DeepSeek to give me a code in Python for a calculator. Now it is in DeepSeek Think, and now let's send and see what we'll have. Click on this one to send. Now you can see it is thinking. The model is thinking to answer your problem. Now you see, this is the process it is taking to give you your solution. You see, okay, the user needs a Python code for a scientific calculator. Let me start by thinking about what features a scientific calculator typically has. So you see, it's first of all go through this process to ensure it gives you the right information you are asking for. So this is the process that DeepSeek is going through to ensure it gives you the right information. Let's give it some time as it is still trying to give me the right information I am asking for. This is one of the quality of DeepSeek. It thinks critically, it takes its time to ensure that it gives you what you are looking for, not just giving you anything like that. It ensures, it thinks, it checks everything, and ensure that everything is good, you see. And also, if you are learning programming, you can use all of this information to ensure you also learn how the model do this work and give you the answer. You can also use it to learn, you see, because it gives you step by step on how to create this particular answer and give you the code for a calculator. It is still reading and giving me the step by step explanation of a scientific calculator code in Python. See, all of the statements, print, if statements, else, everything is here. See, it is still checking to ensure it gives you the right information. Okay, see, this is something different to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, when you give it this type of question, it's automatically give you everything. Now for DeepSeek, it wants to ensure that it gives you the right answer and give you the explanation of how it is happening. So still, we are still waiting for the final answer. This is still the process of giving me the answer. Because a scientific calculator is a very complex calculator. It is not just an ordinary calculator. So it has a lot of features that DeepSeek is trying to put together to ensure the calculator works very well. So you see, you have all this. So now if, like for example, when this one is still trying to give me the answer, if I want to stop it, I'll just click on this one again, and you see I will just say stop. But I want to see the final answer of this particular prompts that I have given to DeepSeek. DeepSeek is very good in programming and complex things like mathematics, chemistry, and the like. So now it is doing the programming part of the answer. You see, this is the code. It is giving me now the code step by step. See? So after they've given you all the code, you can use this one, you copy it and put it in your API that you are using to run your Python codes. You see, this is the code. It really takes time to ensure it gives you the correct answer. See, the code is running. See, it ensures that each and every step is well put together. You see, now it is giving you also some information on how to use this code. Key features: basic arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Advanced operation like the power, the square, and the root. Trigonometric function, sine, cosine, tan, and the radian. Logs, you see, base 10 and natural. Factorial calculations. So you see, these are all the features of that code. If you create a calculator with that code, these are the features that you get. So use the calculator, run the script, choose an operation by entering the corresponding number, follow prompts to input values, view results, choose 0 to exit when finished. You see, so it has also given you all the information you need to run that particular code. So you can see DeepSeek is very good when it comes to programming. It gives you all the details that you need. You see, okay, let's go to new charts and try to ask another question to DeepSeek. Let's say trending news today. Trending news. Trending news on the internet today. Let's send this one and see. Now, you see the same process. It is thinking. DeepSeek is still thinking to ensure it gives me the answer. It is possible that this answer they are giving me, it will have some issues because I did not click on the chat button, which will ensure DeepSeek goes to the internet and search for the different trending news for today. Okay, let me try to copy this particular one. Let me stop this one first. I have stopped this one from giving me this prompt. If I come here, click on the chat, put it this one again, same prompt. I'm sending again to DeepSeek to see. I think the server is very busy as We know DeepSeek is still getting a lot of pressure, so it takes a lot of time to respond sometime, and sometimes even it will not be able to give you the response you want at the time. So let's give it some time to see if it will give us the answer. It is still looking on the web to see the available answers. Okay, you can see the server is busy. Please try again later. So they said the server is busy. We should try again later. Okay, before we try again, let's see some of the other features you can see from these messages. So now, if from this message that DeepSeek sent to us, you can copy this message. You can regenerate. That is, if I want to regenerate this one, I can like it. I can dislike it. See, the same thing here. I can copy. I can edit my message and resend. You see, so we have all of this feature here. You can edit this message. I can say trending news here, trending news on the internet today in the United States of America. So I'm sending again. See here, it is telling me that this is 2 times I am sending this particular prompt. You see, I think my internet also is giving me some problems, and DeepSeek is having issues with that database. They are saying the database is busy. That is why I'm not getting this particular answers. So basically, this is the basic features of how you can use DeepSeek to give your prompt. And for each and every AI platform or AI model, it depends on the information you are giving to it. Make sure you give it the right information. Give it a context. Give it details information. Tell it what you want, and it will give you a unified answer. Let me see if at the end of the day they will give it in English. Now, these numbers you are seeing, they are websites. You can find these informations because this information is not on the AI model. Here are the trending topics in the United States today, March 17, 2025, based on the provided chat results. You see, escalating US. See, these are all some of the information, trending news for today. You see, they are giving me US stock surge, FDA approvals, and pharma developments. You see, so it is giving me the trending news on the internet today in the United States. So now you see the response is AI generated for reference only. So you need to go to the reference and see. So they give the answer first in Chinese and give it also in English. Now this particular news, it's in three sources, 1, 2, 3. So if you click on any of this one, it will take you on the website where they get this information. This particular information also, if you click, let's click on this and see, it is taking us on this website, which is a Chinese website. If you go there, you will see all of this information. Zhuai News Agency, 17 March 2025. These are all the information that you can see. So they will redirect you to the website where the information is available. So each information that they put here, you can find it in the website. If you click it, you can see this information on a particular website. The same for this one. So you see, this is the use of the chat, which goes to the internet and find current information on trending topics, because AI don't have current information. Now, as I said earlier on, This is the platform for DeepSeek, creating a new charts. Each time you want to create, if you open this one, you'll see everything that you've been doing. You see Python scientific calculator that we've been doing previously, and you can see trending news on the internet that we ask. So all of these are available. Basically, there are lots of similarities with ChatGPT compared to the differences. For me, I have just seen most of the things that ChatGPT have, DeepSeek also have. So the differences, one of the differences I see is DeepSeek have this deep thinking, which takes a very long time for it to give you an answer, which help them to give you the correct answer. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.